Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time stopping by, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the fam, join the squad, join the community. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day video. So it's been a while since I filmed one of this. I think it's been like since last year. So today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys or showing you guys kind of like what I eat during the day. I would say my diet's very like, I let myself honestly eat whatever I want. But yeah, I intuitively eat, and I like, for me it's all about balance, 80-20. So wholesome, healthy, nutritious food, and then here and there, if I want a treat, I'll have a treat. I don't restrict myself at all whatsoever. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys honestly what I eat in a day. I just finished getting ready for the day. This is what I look like. Oh my god, my mirror is disgusting, so ignore that. Okay, all right, I do clean, okay? But yeah, here's IBK wigs, and then I just have on this top and pants over here, and let's go feed this body. Let's go feed this body because your girl eats. Like, I eat a lot, but I mean, I gotta keep this body running. For breakfast, I'm gonna make, I wanted to do avocado on toast with an egg, but my avocados are not ripe yet. I'll show you guys. The struggle's too flippin' real. So yeah, let's go do that. It's currently 10:36. I woke up a little later than I wanted to, but it's cool. Shit happens. We move. We move on. I try and make sure I drink 2 liters of water a day at least. Sometimes I end up filling this, like I'll drink everything and then fill it back up to half or all the way, but I try and make sure I'm at least hitting that 2-liter water mark, which is actually not that bad. Like yeah, it really isn't that bad. My number one tip would be to get a big ass bottle, and that will help you. Or like if you have a water bottle that's smaller, literally like make notes and be like, how many of these do I have to fill up to hit my water goal? So these are my avocados that I'm talking about. If you guys have any tips to make your avocados ripe quicker, please let me know, because like I can't even have it. I tried to slice one, but it was so hard. All right, we got the water filled up. I'm gonna take a sip of water. Now we can go get coffee. Actually got a toast, and I don't like eating like the front or the back of the bread. I'm one of those people, so I'm just gonna have one piece of toast even though I'm cooking 2 eggs. Cool. My milk frother stopped working all of a sudden, so now I gotta go to my old school ways of using a French press to froth my milk / cream for my coffee. So y'all see this?
Then boyfriend, my now husband, and I just want to learn how to do cool.
Since I don't have any avocados that are ripe, I'm just gonna use butter instead, and just put that on there. Put that on top on my 1 piece of toast. I usually would eat 2, but ran out of toast and didn't even realize. Actually, no, that's not what goes in next. So I'll usually do like some tomatoes on top. There. And I will then place my egg on top. Usually sometimes we'll do like poached eggs, but yeah, poached eggs or hard-boiled egg, but today I went for deep fried. Well, it wasn't deep fried. I went for a fried egg. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt on top and black pepper, and that's it. That's really it. Nice, quick, easy, delicious. And then place the other egg here. There should be another toast there, but we move. This is what breakfast looks like. I am currently about to leave the house, and my coffee that I ended up making this morning was not that great, so I'm gonna treat myself to a cup of coffee. And I have like a bunch of gift cards that I got for my birthday, so I'm just gonna use, wow, it's really dark, this is not even helping. I'm gonna use one of the gift cards I got for my birthday and go get a cup of coffee, head to my mom's restaurant because my mom has a restaurant, and I just need to like switch up the space. Also, with restaurants now, they're allowing 50% capacity, so it's okay, it's fine, don't come for me. Yeah. Got my cup of coffee. And jollof rice is calling my name.
Beautiful. How are you doing? Oh my
You're so
goodness.
weird. Leave me alone! I don't know why. Why is my brother like this? Like,
Guys,
literally, why is he like this?
She's
Like,
amazing.
he's
That's all I can
literally
say. She's
so
amazing.
flipping clingy.
I love my life right here.
I'm not the love of your life.
Right here.
You're so clingy. You're actually, do you know that you're actually, like, give me 1 second, then I'll place my order.
Yeah, she's gonna put the order. And I'm here to help.
You are so clingy.
Let me clean
Oh
it.
my god. Let's get some food. Can you grab me a plate? Hello? I need a plate.
Oh. Sorry, you're gonna send it.
Yeah. Okay. I want jollof rice. I want stew on
Okay.
top. Is there any turkey? I want smoked turkey, but I don't want a bone. I want like a normal thing.
Like a normal turkey?
Okay, that's good.
That's good?
A little bit more.
Yeah. There's more?
And then, can I do some stew, please? I want stew.
On the jollof or on the side?
On the side. Actually, on top. On top. No meat. On top. You got rice in that thing, but. Okay, and then I want turkey.
Okay.
I don't want legs. I just want normal.
Like this one right?
Yeah, that's good. And I want vegetables on the side.
Okay. We'll add a plantain more.
Yeah, I actually wanted some plantains, but it's cool. Yeah, that's what I want.
Alright, man. Here you go. You got your.
This is the meal. Thanks for the food, Mother.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for the food. Has it been busy?
We've been busy.
This is the food. And I am going to sit right here and devour my meal. I was craving some jollof rice. Honestly, guys, low-key, I didn't feel like cooking, so I was like, I'll just come to my mom's restaurant. And I got some vegetables on the side and smoked turkey. If you know what these are life. Currently editing videos for YouTube, and I'm feeling a little bit peckish. So I'm gonna do some puff puffs. If you know what these are, they're honestly just like mini donuts. Yeah, if you're Nigerian, you'll know what these are. So I'm gonna have some. And if you're not Nigerian, try these. They'll change your life. I know other African like cultures have them as well. I don't know what it's called specifically, but I know other cultures have it as well. Try it. Freaking bomb. I'm just about to snack on these. Then I'll probably just like keep working after. Not to lie. I brought myself one of these. I've been addicted to these lately, but they're really, really good, and they're about 110 calories. But I'm gonna have a Pellegrino as I work. Yeah. Hey guys, so it is now currently I don't know what time it is. I think it's like, let me check. It's now currently 9:15, and yeah, I'm really just thinking about supper. Initially, I was gonna do like a fish and potatoes and like steamed vegetables, but I'm honestly not craving that. First world problems. Yeah, I'm not craving it, and I actually want some pasta. I don't know why, but I feel like making some pasta. So I'm gonna head over to the grocery store, as I don't have, like, I want some spaghetti and meatballs. So I'm just gonna like whip up a super quick spaghetti and meatballs recipe. So yeah. But it's so bright out. It's literally like, guys, come on. Like, it's still so bright out that I'm just like, it's fine. Like, it's cool. It feels like 7. Probably say I'm just being really lazy here, and I can't be bothered to like make pasta sauce from scratch. So I'm just gonna put in this bolognese sauce. I'm gonna end the vlog here and go enjoy my dinner. It was a late ass day, but yeah, of course, like when I decide to like film out what I eat in a day, I don't end up eating supper till 11, but it's been an interesting day. Sometimes it be like that, shit happens, but I'm gonna go enjoy this pasta. And really and truly, I could have had something, but I was craving pasta, so I was like, I'll go to the store and get the things for the pasta. So I'm excited to dive in, and it's been a hot minute since I've had me a beautiful bowl of pasta, so I'm gonna go do that. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
No cameras, no popcorn.
I offered her some pasta, but she said no.
I have pounded yam. Why do I want pasta?
How was today?
What are you doing? Today was an adventure, but you know what? It is ended.
We move. We move.
I think I might kill myself. Bye.
Move on. Move on.
Move on.